أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Three verses clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
No
rhyme,
rhymes,
no pattern,
no patterns.
free of length.
Excellent. The length of lines vary. The length of stanzas vary. Subject varies. Another form of the poem, what? Form of poem. Form of poetry is
Acrostic.
what?
Acrostic.
When we read different lines and when we look at the beginning of each line, the very first letter of each line, so we come to know that if those letters are joined, clear?
Yes.
So they form the name of the subject the poem is written on.
Right.
What is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Let's have a look at it, no? What's it?
Leaf.
Leaf. So topic or the subject of the poem is leaf. Have a look at it. This is a poem, no?
Yes.
L-E-A-F. What's that? Leaf.
Leaf.
What's the name of the poem?
Leaf.
Leaf.
The subject of
No
the
points
poem.
clear?
Yes, sir.
These letters, first format is that they are over there in the beginning of each line. Can appear now that at any part of the line now. They can be in the middle. They can be at the end. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sometime what happens now, that the poet writes such poem when we look at the first letter of each line, so it forms what? The name of the subject. And the poet sometimes uses the last letter of each line in such a way that it also forms the subject. Clear?
Yes, sir.
First letter,
And
it forms the subject. Last letter of each line, now again it forms.
Or subject.
This is called
Or double.
double. This is example of single acrostic now.
Right, sir.
Double acrostic. CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA Level 16 weeks, Skill to Read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks.